away from. Good luck, pilots. Arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. I believe that was just contact with the gate. We are 4 strong. Wow, this is a hungry heat. High side of the tower to the dive gate with your leader, Engineer. Bunch of breathing room. He's going to be doing all right here at the moment. Millennial Falcon now, you can hear him off to the sidelines trying to get back up in the air. He's not doing so hot. That may be where his journey comes to an end. Engineer with a 32.3 on his opening lap. Blue Vista gets onto lap 2 at the 47.2. Sticks and Stones getting onto lap 2 with a 50.9. He's 3.7 seconds out of that transfer position. Now 27.0 for Engineer. Whatever his issue was earlier, it is now calculated and fixed. And on top of that, when he's in the consolation bracket, he gets one more heat than everyone else if he gets into that final 4. He's on his final lap, about to meet our checkered. Going to shut the battle down here between Blue Vista and Sticks and Stones. Ooh. Blue Vista making some contact. Engineer is going to be all right. And the race is done. NASCAR rule, Engineer lapping the field. And just like NASCAR, when the leader goes on their last lap, everyone goes on their last lap. So Engineer going to get the win. Staying alive, going to race number 10, and Sticks and Stones is going to go with them to race number 10 as well, pulling up second. That is going to give third to Blue Vista, fourth to Millennial Falcon. And again, Engineer and Sticks and Stones, bring it in, Sticks and Stones. That was heat number 7.